Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the EMBERLI XL Grill Cart. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor cooking setup, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we explore its features, build quality, and what sets it apart in the market. Let's kick things off by highlighting why the EMBERLI XL Grill Cart stands out as one of the best outdoor cabinets for your patio kitchen. First off, its modular design offers unparalleled flexibility. You can customize its configuration to suit your space and needs perfectly. Whether you prefer more open storage, additional side tables, or adjusting the placement of the wheels, this grill cart adapts effortlessly. Plus, it's built to last with a stainless steel top that's not only durable but also easy to clean. Perfect for prepping food or even serving meals outdoors without worrying about wear and tear. And let's not forget the ample storage capacity. With 50 gallons of closed storage and 20 gallons of open storage, you've got plenty of room to store all your cooking essentials, keeping them organized and protected from the elements. What really impressed us are the thoughtful additions, like the integrated gas line hole. If you're using a gas grill, you can safely and neatly feed the gas line through, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Another standout feature is the included premium weatherproof cover. It's designed to shield the cart from the elements, extending its lifespan and keeping it looking sharp year-round. Now, let's talk about durability. This grill cart isn't just another piece of outdoor furniture, it's solid and sturdy. Constructed from high-quality steel, it's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while maintaining its integrity. Assembly is straightforward too, with clear instructions that make setup a breeze. Even if you're not the handiest person, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get this cart up and running. Speaking of assembly, users have praised how easy it is to put together. It's a testament to EMBERLI's commitment to delivering a product that's both user-friendly and high-performing. And for those who love customization, the EMBERLI XL Grill Cart comes with magnetic hooks, allowing you to place accessories wherever you like. It's these little details that really enhance the overall user experience. Now, let's talk about value. Priced competitively it's an investment that pays off in terms of quality, durability, and functionality. Plus, if you're a Prime member, you can even snag it at a discount. So, if you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and stylish outdoor cabinet for your patio kitchen, the EMBERLI XL Grill Cart ticks all the boxes. With its modular design, ample storage, and robust build quality, it's truly a standout in its category. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.